Vijay. I am working as an assistant professor in Department of Information Science and Engineering, SJVIT, Bangalore. I welcome you all to this lab session on machine learning. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the fourth program in the lab curriculum, which is backpropagation algorithm. So what is backpropagation algorithm is the first question. Backpropagation algorithm is an algorithm which will help you in rectifying the weight values. Okay, that is, in any neural network, when a neural network is designed initially, the weight values will be assigned in random, and those weight values will obviously carry some amount of error with it. So backpropagation algorithm is a stochastic gradient descent technique which will help you in refining those weight values and thence reducing the errors associated with error value associated with it. So for that, first we have to have the neural network with us, and here we can see here we are creating a neural network with two input neurons. I have highlighted that part there, and we are having 3 hidden neurons and 1 output neurons. So for this, the entire process of backpropagation algorithm can be summed up in 2 steps. The first step is the forward pass and the second step is the backward pass. And what happens in the forward pass? In the forward pass, we are going to calculate the error value associated with all the weights, and then in the backward pass we reinitialize the values of weight so that the error gets minimized. And I have already told you in the due course of discussion when this was taken up in the theory class, that this forward pass and backward pass is just when you apply this for once, the error doesn't get reduced completely, but this should be repeated for thousands of times. So for that reason, we have to repeat this entire process for several thousands of times. Hence, I have initialized this value of epoch to 7000, and this entire process will be repeated for 7000 times. So the weights till the values of the weights gets rectified almost fully. That is, the value of the weight should get almost accurate. And what does the process of forward pass? So in the entire process of forward pass, what do we do? In the entire process of forward pass, yes, as you can see here, I have highlighted this part. So this entire process is nothing but the forward pass process. So what do we do in this forward pass process? We first take the error predicted value of the output, and then we take the actual output which we get. So then we subtract both of them in order to know the difference in the value. And once we get that, we apply the partial derivative on this equation in order to get the final error total value. So this entire process is done by this part of the code. And then the backward pass. And what do we do in backward pass? In the backward pass, whatever be this error value that has been generated, we take that error value and we move back in the neural network, and in this due course of moving back, we reinitialize the weight value according to this error value which has got generated. So here we are going to make use of the learning rate. LR stands for learning rate, and I have already told you in the discussion of the theory topic as to what this learning rate is and what role it plays in the updation of the weight value. And once we are done with this process, that is, after it is executed repeatedly for 7000 times, the weight values get the error associated with the weight values gets almost rectified. Okay, so these are almost fine weight values. So this is the process of back propagation. Thank you. We shall take up the discussion of the next program in the coming lab session.